What's up, guys? You probably noticed the train shot in the beginning of this video. I know it was probably kind of random or whatever, but I thought since I was out and about, why not get a shot of the train coming by. Sunday, February 28th, I am going to premiere part 2 of the Abandoned Neighborhood series, and this is going to be with some unexplained paranormal activity in it. This one is focused primarily on one house, and so it's going to be an abandoned house with some unexplained paranormal activity, guys. So you don't want to miss that. February 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern. What was that? Heard gunshots. 7 p.m. Eastern time. So you don't want to miss that, guys. Come in, chat, let's talk about it, and be looking forward to seeing every one of you guys there. I enjoy the community growing and commenting and chatting and getting to know each other. But I'm going to conclude this part of it. But before I do, I have a really short roadside abandoned historical home. It's actually my first meetup with the Retromantic. It's the first time we ever met. So this was filmed about a year ago. Driving to our next destination, we found this old house. I actually seen it online, so we thought we'd stop and at least get the outside of it. You can see the mountains in the distance there. Kind of a cool backdrop. Guess they're trying to make it come to life. I don't know. Looks like the whole back side's out, though. I'd like to walk up closer, but I don't want to draw too much attention, you know? Yeah, well, just thought we'd show you this before we went to their next location. Remember, guys, February 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern time, premiering part 2, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. And I guess I'll see you guys there in the chat Sunday, as I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the rest of the evening. Catch you guys on the next video.